Hello friends, astrologer Mohnish here, and thank you for watching my videos on Vedic astrology and financial astrology. Now in this video, we'll be showing and sharing my analysis on Vivek Ramaswamy's chart, his birth chart. The reason is Vivek Ramaswamy, he was first being a candidate for the presidency of United States, and then he dropped out. And I had a video about that also where I showed that he cannot become a president of United States. He's a very successful entrepreneur, and now he has joined Trump's team, and he's gonna lead the U.S. government efficiency program along with Elon Musk. So I covered Elon Musk and Donald Trump, both together in my previous videos. I'll put the link in the description below if you have not watched that video. So Ramaswamy chart I'll do in the first part of this video. Second part is, I've been doing financial astrology, giving the predictions, and a lot of our members are using a VIP trading indicator, which is based on machine learning algorithms to trade successfully the cryptos and also the stocks and the equities. The second part of my video will demonstrate that how our VIP indicator works and also what is the algorithm, okay, how we run those algorithms and how we get the price predictions for the next 4 days. And that video is showing the NVIDIA prediction. So that will be the second part of this particular video. So again, the chapters are given below. You can jump to wherever you want. The first part is Vivek Ramaswamy. Second part is if you're a stock trader, investor, you want to know how to invest wisely and how to use that trading indicators, which we have created along with our predictions, then just watch that video. Algorithm trading is the best way to win the trades, and we have put algorithm trading along with the astrological analysis on top of it, which is a winning and a very unique combination. It's a game changer. A lot of my followers, subscribers, members are using it, and it is a game changer. If you know a little bit of the trading, you will see that this can take your trading from here till this level. Okay, it's such an exciting and amazing tool we have developed, and we are giving to our audience, to our members, so they can be a very successful trader. So watch that second part of this video. So now the first thing is Vivek Ramaswamy's chart. I'm going to evaluate it here in front of you. So I'm going to share my screen. So let's start with the Vivek Ramaswamy's chart, and I'm going to share my screen here. And this is a chart of Vivek Ramaswamy, 9th of August 1985, Cincinnati, United States. And you see he is born as Sagittarius. Okay, so Sagittarius was a rising sign, and his moon is in the Taurus. Okay, Taurus is ruled by Venus, and Sagittarius is ruled by Jupiter. And in the cuspal chart, Jupiter goes into the first house. Jupiter means expansion, wisdom, knowledge, aspecting seventh house of business, entrepreneur skills. He was born to be an entrepreneur. And the reason I'm saying is because look at the seventh house. Seventh is house, which is ruled by, this is a house ruled by Gemini, and Mercury, the owner of this house, is sitting in the seventh house. So Mercury, Sun, Mars. Mars rules his fifth house of innovation. Fifth house is imagination. Fifth is house of creativity. So that creativity, Mars is sitting in seventh house of business. Mars also rules his 12th house of investments in business, and business will go into the multinational companies. Sun, which is the lord of his ninth house of fortune, this is the ninth house of fortune. Sun goes into the seventh house in cuspal chart. Again, fortune is connected with business. Continuous learning is connected with business. Higher education is connected with business. And fifth is also house of healing, means a medical science. That is also connected with the matters of business because Mars is sitting in here. Okay. And then Jupiter respecting this combination. Okay. I'm reading this live in front of you, that how we read the charts. Lagna chart tells us where the houses, what zodiac signs they are representing, the planet sitting in what zodiac sign, and the cuspal chart tells us what houses they will activate. Now, long story short, Jupiter Dasha is going on, and Jupiter is very good in his chart. Okay, it's showing a lot of money gain, second house and 10th house. This is the script of Jupiter. All his planets are very, very favorable. Ketu is very strong. Venus is very strong. You see all the green houses when I bring career here? Everything is so amazing in his chart, other than one thing. And I'm going to talk about that thing right now. Moon is good. Mars is good. Rahu is good. Jupiter is good. Saturn is good. Mercury is good. The one thing which he has a problem in his chart, and that's the reason he could not become a president or even go to the level where he could win the primaries and be a president, is because he has a Shrapit dosha in his 10th house. Saturn and Ketu together is a Shrapit dosha. This is happening in the government house. 10th is house of government. Okay, so this is house of government. If he joins the government with Donald Trump, there will be a problem and challenges on his way a lot. It could damage his reputation also. If he does not clean his Shrapit dosh from his chart, he may get into a false accusation, scandals, and problems and challenges and court cases against him if he is helping the government to run whatever the portfolio is running as a government efficiency. So he need to be very, very cautious about it. Okay. And moon aspecting Saturn, Saturn aspecting moon, it's caused Vish dosha also. Again, some challenges, problem to his mental health also when this dosha will be activated. And one more thing which he has in his the problem in his chart is that his Jupiter, which is ascendant lord, is very, very weak in its power, in its Shadval. See, look at this is the weakest because it's sitting in the debilitated sign. So Jupiter is debilitated. It has a very weak power. We need the power at least to 450 here, which is only 382 right now. He needs to wear a yellow sapphire, minimum 6 to 7 carats to bring the power up. Okay, so this is what my recommendations are. If somebody knows Vivek Ramaswamy personally watching this, must tell them to wear a yellow sapphire, good quality, and remove this Shrapit dosh. If he does it, he will be protected, guarded. Jupiter respecting this house. This house is ruled by Venus. Okay, 11th house of gains is coming from Venus. Venus goes into 6th house. 6th is house of healthcare. Gains from the healthcare is there in his chart. And that's the reason he has opened a company which is in healthcare. Okay, and you see Venus also rules as this house, 6th house itself. So he's very skillful. Venus gives him that skill to communicate well with the people. Venus is your communication, your luxuries. 6th is house of your skill. So very strong, very good skill in communication, in putting his words in front of public, and gains will also come in the matters of health. His chart is amazing. Okay, very good chart, but the Shrapit dosha is a trouble, is a problem in his chart. He must fix it. Otherwise, he will get into a problem with the government. Okay, and let's say D9 chart also. We normally see that also if there's any dosha forming here. Again, a very, very strong 5th house. You see that? So ascendant lord in D9 chart, Venus, moon. This makes him very attractive also in a way that he communicates very well. He's very creative. His whole life is all about creativity. He wants to create new things, new businesses. Okay, open new channels of his, through his creation, through his imaginations, through his intuition. Mercury, sun sitting here, immensely talented, immensely intelligent, very, very good person overall. Overall, his life will be governed and driven by accumulation of knowledge. Jupiter in 1st house, accumulation of knowledge will be there. Okay. Now, Jupiter in 1st house also give you cholesterol because Jupiter is a fat planet. It makes your body also fat. But Vivek Ramaswamy, so far he looks good. I've seen him on the TV channels. He looks fit, but he needs to make sure that his cholesterol is always in check. And Jupiter respecting this house, 9th house of his fortune, and also the 5th house of creativity leads to the maximum gains in his life. Jupiter Dasha from 2022 till 2038, it's a milking cow. If he adds a yellow sapphire, maybe as a pendant, maybe as a ring. See, I'm wearing a yellow sapphire ring, 6 carats. He should do the same thing. So this is my analysis on Vivek Ramaswamy. He is tremendously talented, very good in communication. In his career-wise, he will do excellent based on strong entrepreneur skills what he bring in. But one problem that Shrapit dosha in his chart can lead to false accusation and challenges with the government. And now he has joined the government directly. It can lead to some malicious event and effects in his life. Unless he has removed the Shrapit dosha through tantric pujas, or he does it now. He has to do it. Otherwise, this malicious dosha will play its role. And it will impact his mental health also because Saturn is aspecting moon, moon is aspecting Saturn. Watch this video again if you're new to astrology or learning astrology, that how we interpret charts. There are many more things we can cover, but I have focused on his political career, to be very honest. And now the second part of this video is about our VIP trading indicators, how the algorithm trading based on the scientific algorithms, and we put in astrology on top of that, and then how we predict any stock price movement for the next 4 days. So watch that video if you are a trader or want to be a trader or just entering into the trading zone, or also an investor, that where should I invest my money, what should be the top range, bottom range. Our VIP indicator and our algorithms will help you determine that. Again, this is Astrologer Mohnish. I shall see you in my next video very soon. Stay happy, stay blessed, and I shall see you very soon. And thanks for watching. God bless. Welcome to this video, my dear friends. So you see our VIP indicator, which is based on horizontal classification. This is NVIDIA stock for 1 day chart. Today, NVIDIA is at 138.18. And you see that on a daily chart, since NVIDIA is retracing, we have a sell signal. We know what is the entry price. You should be enter the trade when you're short selling NVIDIA. The take profit, the stop loss, and the trading stop loss is also given to you in this new version of our indicator. And you see the trade profit, its line is here, and we are also measuring the volatility. Now, why we are measuring the volatility? Because it helps us knowing how much stock can move in a particular day, and you can adjust your ATR based on going to the settings, and then you can move your ATR to 1.5 or 1. But what we have done is here that your profit taking zone is already calculating the volatility. So the stop loss and profit taking zone in this new version knows that how much potential the price action can move based on the current ATR or the volatility levels. And this is how we are giving you the signal that our two indicators, the horizontal classification and a GMMA VIP indicator, is telling us where the prices are. You see, this is showing a sell sign, and then one is showing sell. Wait for it. And the second indicator, the top one will say sell. And here the sell signal comes into the picture. It's telling you everything what you need to do and when to book your profits. Now, how are we all predicting this? Again, this is done through the artificial intelligence. But I'm going to show you also that our algorithms, one of the new algorithms what we have created, and this is our laboratory. You see that this is NVIDIA stock predictions. How we are doing it is first we are training our model to give us the stock price for the next 4 days. Okay, so our model takes the prices of last 300 days movement of NVIDIA stock, and then it predicts the next 4 days. Now, once we get the prediction for our stocks, we also calculate, you see, train ATR. ATR is the average true range. What is the volatility we are predicting for the next 4 days? So this is very important, my dear friends, because volatility decides how much price will move up or down on a particular day. Okay. And then once we build this model, ATR, and the price for the NVIDIA stock, then we will get the predictions that what should be the range of our price for the next 4 days, which includes the volatility also. And I'm going to run this command for here, Python predict ATR attributed prices, and you will see our model, which is already trained, will show you the predictions, what it is trying to make. So I'm going to run this model, and let's see what does it shows. And here you can see. So you can see our model. So let me zoom it in here. So next 4 days price, including the volatility, is right here. So our model is saying that this is the price action, 138.87, 138.97, 138.63, 139.49. This is what it is predicting for the next 4 days for NVIDIA stock. But now this is a price action based on the last 300-day price. We want to add the ATR also, because the average true range or the volatility every day changes. And we are predicting that the volatility, which will be at the $5 or $6 in particular on particular days, is giving us this now range that you add this volatility and you subtract this. So this is the range of this stock in next 4 days. So what you need to do is you need to take the highest and the lowest. So 144 is the highest and 133.93 is the lowest. You take this range, which includes the price of the NVIDIA stock and also the volatility. And now you can do your option trading or stock trading based on this range. So if you do a covered call, you do above the price of 145, or if you do a naked put, you do the less than the price of 133. This is how you can make money again and again and again. And we are giving this range to you in our website where we predict our stock price movement for the next 4 days. We are going to add this Nvidia, Apple, all the stock prices in there, that what is the range you should be trading in. And this is a game changer. This is a game changer because no platform is giving you this particular range to trade for the next 4 days. You can trade your stocks, you can buy your options, sell your options based on this range, what we are getting. And here you can see the ATR for today is 5.53. If you see that, the real data, and our model is also predicting that the next few days, the average true range or the volatility will be close to $5 or $6. So this is the range what we are predicting, and you see our algorithm horizontal classification. You can use this along with the range what we are giving to be a very successful trader. So guys, this is how we are working. This is opening up the new Pandora box for you traders, because you know what is the price range, and then you also have the indicator which can run on daily basis or also 1 hour chart. So if you play this on 1 hour chart, you will be even more successful because you will get many opportunities to buy and sell this stock during 1 hour. And what we have done here is this take profit and then your stop loss is based on the volatility now. Okay, we have upgraded this. We are giving you the volatility, and we're also giving you the trailing stop loss, that if you are entering the position and you're going long or going short, what should be your trailing stop loss to stop and end your trade or take your profits or minimize your losses. Here is the sell signal. You see that here? And then how much, downwards it went to give you the profitability. So play with this. And what we're going to do is we're going to put more stocks in our model: Apple, Amazon, Meta, all the top stocks. And then we can also predict about the Bitcoins, the cryptocurrencies, and all the other currencies which has been listed on our website, so that you can trade profitably and be very, very successful. Well, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.